Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. If you're anything like me, the most worn items in your wardrobe during autumn and spring is your leisure wear. Comfy t-shirts, sweaters and track pants. When I'm not at work, I live in them. In this series of upcycling videos, I'll show you how I refashion leisure wear that I pick up thrifting, or how I elevate existing items in my wardrobe to give them a second life. I picked up these tracksuit pants at my local thrift store for $3. They were too big and not a style that I would really wear. The first step in the upcycling of these track pants was to take in the inside leg seam to remove the flare at the bottom and make them more straight-legged. This made a big difference. With my leisure wear, I like to be able to go from relaxing at home to popping down the shops to catching up with a friend for coffee without having to change clothes. Next, I made them shorter, using a pair of track pants that I liked the length of as a guide. You'll see I took quite a lot off the bottom of these pants. I then pinned and sewed a new hem. Fleecy fabric is really easy to work with and, best of all, doesn't fray, so I only had to sew a single hem. I then threaded elastic through the new bottom leg seam. This nipped in the leg seam at the bottom, which I really liked. And finally, I found a new tie for the waist and I'm done. All up, this upcycling project took me about 40 minutes and I've got a new pair of comfy pants. I couldn't be happier. If you'd like to see more upcycling videos like this, please throw me a thumbs up. It lets me know what videos people like to see. I'm working on more leisure wear upcycling videos, so if you want inspiration to elevate your leisure wear, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.